Okay, dear students, let us solve an example on section formula. So let us see what is question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So let us consider here A point -1, 7, B point 4, -3. Suppose here R is a point which divides given line segment in the ratio 2:3. So we know that coordinates of point which divides the given segment in m:n ratio. That is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is formulas here. So call this as x1 y1, x2 y2, and this as m and n. Okay. So x is equal to m is for 2, x2 4 plus n is 3, x1 is -1 upon 2 plus 3. I'll write here 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 5. So x is equal to 8 minus 3 means 5 upon 5. It is 1. So similarly we can calculate y is equal to m is equal to 2, y2 is equal to -3 plus n means what? 3 into y1. y1 means what? 7 upon 2 plus 3. Okay? So therefore y is equal to -6 plus 21 upon 5. So y is equal to, it is 15 upon 5. Y is equal to, it is 3. So therefore coordinates of point R will be 1, 3. I'll write here required coordinates of R 1, 3. तो यहाँ पर ये सेक्शन फार्मूला कैसे ध्यान में रखना है, देखिए x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So in this way we can calculate the coordinates of point which divides given line segment in the given ratio when the vertices of end points of line segment are given. ठीक है? Okay, dear students, let us solve one more example on section formula. So what is given here? That we have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining 2 points here. Suppose this is given line segment that is 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 3. Now trisection, suppose this C point and D point. Trisection means ऐसे दो पॉइंट्स जो गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट के 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स करते हैं. So let us consider this as x comma y and this as x dash comma y dash. See here, these 3 are equal, so therefore I can say that D divides AB in 2:1 ratio. So these are same, okay. So therefore let us calculate x dash is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y dash is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So let us see what is. So x dash is equal to m is 2. 2 into x2 means minus 2 plus m is 1. 1 into this is 4. So upon 2 plus 1. So x dash is equal to minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. X dash is equal to 0. So this is 0. Okay. Then let us calculate y dash. M is what? 2. Y2 minus 3 plus n means 1. Y1 means minus 1. So upon 2 plus 1. So y dash is equal to minus 6 minus 1 upon 3. So y dash is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So it is minus 7 upon 3. Now see here. Now we know coordinates of point D. We have to calculate coordinates of point C. Now these two line segments are same. Therefore C becomes midpoint. So C is midpoint of AD. Therefore x is equal to, I can write x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x is equal to, let us call this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x1 is 4 plus 0 upon 2, y is equal to, y1 is what? Minus 1, y2 means this plus minus 7 upon 3 upon 2. So therefore this is x is equal to 4 upon 2 is 2, y is equal to, this is minus 3 minus 7, it is minus 10 upon 3 into 2 6. So y is equal to minus 5 by 3. So x is equal to 2. So therefore coordinates of C, what are the coordinates of C? 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and D 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. So what is key point here? We should know trisection. So C and D divides AB in it makes trisection. It makes trisection means these 2 points, they make 3 equal parts of AB. So ये 3 सेगमेंट्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो सेगमेंट्स अगर इक्वल होते हैं तो उनका रेशो हमें कैसे लिखना है ये मालूम होना चाहिए. जैसे D divides AB in 2:1 ratio. Then C divides AD in 1:1 because these two are same, and D divides AB in 2:1 ratio because AD is 2 times of DB, so 2:1. So in this way we can calculate easily the coordinates of points which are trisecting given line segment. Okay? Thank you. Okay, dear students, let us solve one more example on section formula. So what is question here? Find the ratio in which line segment joining points, these 2 points, is divided by this point. Suppose this is a line segment AB, coordinates -3, 10, 6, -8, and suppose this C divides, this point C divides -1, 6 square. So we have to calculate ratio here. Ratio. In which ratio this C point divides. So let us take this as k:1. Suppose C divides, AB in k:1 ratio. So call this as X and this as Y. X1, Y1, X2, Y. So X is equal to, we know that if it is dividing, it is kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1. Y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So let us solve here. K into, so we know what x now. So what is x here? -1 is equal to k into, what is x2? x2 is equal to 6 plus x1 means -3 upon k plus 1. Y is equal to k into y2 means -8 plus 10 upon k plus 1. तो ये दोनों में से, so we know y is 6. So either taking this or this, we can calculate required ratio. So -1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So I'll write here -1 plus 3 is equal to 6k plus k. So it is 2 is equal to 7k. So 2 upon 7 is equal to k upon 1. So therefore required ratio k:1 is equal to 2:7. So or we can take this equation also. If we take this equation, we will get the same ratio. Okay. So what is important? Key point that you should know this formula. You should know this formula. Then we can easily calculate the required ratio. ठीक है? Thank you.